Hey guys, and welcome back to another WaxMode video. And today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a few packages that were sent out to me by GloveBoxDetail.com. And so this video is going to be sponsored by GloveBox. They reached out to me and wondered if I would be interested in showcasing the type of service that they provide. And I think a lot of my subscribers are going to like what they have to offer. And so I did want to showcase that on my channel for you guys. Now, GloveBox is a subscription-based detailing delivery service. So you're going to pay a monthly fee and they're going to send you a monthly glove box which contains a different range of detailing products inside of the box. They've got polishing liquids, protectants, different interior detailing products, towels, different tools. So a wide range of different products from a range of different manufacturers and companies that are in the detailing market. And I think this type of service provides a lot of utility, especially in the detailing market where this is incredibly crowded. There's so many different products and different manufacturers and brands out there. It can be highly confusing to determine which products you want to select and which products you want to really start to build your collection around. And normally that would take hours and hours of watching different video reviews or reading different reviews of different products from guys that have different preferences out there. And I've had a couple guys come up to me and say, WaxMode, I've watched 10 of your videos or so, and I'm not one step closer into making a decision here on which products to buy. Just give me a list. Just give me that nudge of what I should go with to get my feet wet, to really jump into this detailing world, into all this craziness. And so this is where GloveBox is going to shine for you guys. And GloveBox was started by Brad Mills, who is a professional detailer that works on some of the craziest, the rarest cars, some of the most expensive luxury and exotic cars that you've ever seen in your entire life. Brad Mills works on these cars on a regular basis and vets these products that he's selected himself to supply for you guys inside of the individual glove boxes. Now, this specific box was the January 2020 glove box. You're going to get the Wax Tire and Trim Gel. You're going to get the Last Coat version 2. I will definitely have a video of the Last Coat version 2 coming up in the future for you guys. A lot of detailers have had awesome results with the updated formula. We've got WoWo's Detailer Shampoo, which is going to be a bare bone shampoo. I want to compare that one to Car Pro Reset. We've got the Wax Tire Dressing Applicator Sponge. And then a couple tops for the bottles. We got the sprayer top for the Last Coat version 2. But look at how well packaged this was. It's got the logos on the paper. It's got the logos on the box itself. It's like Christmas morning, open up a box like this. So imagine this every single month. Now, I missed one. I missed the Auto Fiber Korean Plush microfiber towel as well, which is incredibly soft. All of this products inside of this glove box here was $35. And if you go to the Last Coat's website right now, at the time that I'm putting this video out, they have the Last Coat version 2 going for $35 for the 16-ounce bottle. These are full-size bottles inside of this box here. So if you were already planning on buying the Last Coat version 2 from their website, you could have gotten the WoWo's Detailer Shampoo for free. You could have gotten the Wax Tire and Trim Gel for free, the applicator sponge, the Korean microfiber from Auto Fiber. Dudes, this is like an awesome deal. All of these products would add up to over $70 if you were to buy them individually outside of the glove box itself. And you do have the option to purchase previous glove boxes that you may have missed out on over the last couple of months. And then as you can see on the menu here, there's coupon codes tied into each of the manufacturers for the products that are inside of this glove box kit. And so if you enjoyed working with a specific product in particular inside of this glove box, you have the option now to go to the manufacturer's website, build up a selection of their products, and try them out at a discounted rate. And I think that's a fantastic idea. You can use GloveBox as this facilitator to direct you guys towards trying out brands that you might not have thought about trying out yourself. Now, this specific box here is going to be the March 2020 Deluxe glove box. So this is going to be another $35 box. And this is going to have full-size bottles of the products inside of here. Now, GloveBox also has a less expensive at $20 a month or $20 a box. They have an Essentials GloveBox kit. And that's going to contain sample sizes instead of full-size bottles. So that's a way to really develop your preferences on different products and different brands that you want to try out. Whereas the Deluxe kit with the full-size bottle is really a good way to build up your detailing collection of different types of products and different brands. And then coming up in the future, GloveBox is also going to have a build-your-own box platform. So they're going to have a selection of products that are going to be available. You guys will be able to piece together the boxes how you want for a certain price. But again, this box is going to be the March 2020 edition. So we're going to have the Wax Total Interior. This is going to be a one-step cleaner and protectant. And I've gotten a lot of requests in my videos to test different Wax products out, and I never got around to doing it. So I've got a couple of them now through the glove box. We'll test them out. We'll see how they do and possibly pick up more in the future. And then we've got the Atom CS3. Now this is definitely one that I wanted to get my hands on. I'm so glad that it was included inside of this glove box. CS3 is going to be Atom's new silica-based waterless wash / spray detailer. So it's going to be able to clean, definitely increase the gloss, and protect the paint at the same time. We're going to check to see how this does in future videos, guys. I'll have a showcase of that. And then, of course, their Masterson's Car Care Glass Cleaner, which is going to be ammonia-free. It's going to have water-repellent chemistry inside of the formula as well. We'll give this one a shot, see how it does. And then the 2 microfiber towels from the Rag Company at the beginning, the Smitten Glass Mitts, and then their Everest Ultra Plush microfiber, which, again, is incredibly soft feeling. And then the Smitten Glass Mitt has that twisted loop type of fiber on the one side of the mitt, and it's got that waffle weave style on the other side. Very cool stuff, guys. This is high quality. This is, a good range of the different types of products that are being included inside of these boxes as well. And with pretty much these 2 boxes, we have almost everything that we need in order to get the job done when it comes to detailing the car on a weekend. And GloveBox is partnered with a lot of different companies and manufacturers in the detailing market to provide this type of service. And, aside from what you're seeing right in front of you right now, they got 303, they got Buff and Shine, they got Car Pro, they've got Lake Country, Meguiar's, Mothers, PNS, Sonax, Solution Finish. You guys can check all of the lists of the manufacturers that are paired up with GloveBox on their website at gloveboxdetail.com. And then on their YouTube channel, Brad will come out with videos every month that does an unboxing of their Deluxe kits. And so that'll be a good resource for you guys that are especially new to get an overview of what the products are, how to use them, what they're used for, and you'll get a lot of good information out of those videos. Now, for my subscribers, if you're interested in trying out one of the subscription-based plans, so the Essentials plan, which is going to be $20 a month for the sample size bottles, or the Deluxe plan, which is going to be $35 a month for the full-size bottle, they're offering a 30% off coupon code, which is WaxMode30 in all caps. WaxMode30 gets you 30% off your first glove box inside of that subscription plan. And again, these are going to be reoccurring payments for the subscriptions. And you do get a discount. If you sign up for 3 months in advance, you get a discount. 6 months, you get a bigger discount. 1 year, you get an even bigger discount. So be aware of that. Take advantage of that. And you're not tied into your subscriptions. You can cancel at any time if that's what you choose to do. Or you can go back in time. You can purchase previously released glove boxes. They've got a lot of options. Definitely check their website out. And my subscribers, get down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear your guys' feedback and thoughts on this type of service. I know it's not going to be for everyone. I know a lot of you guys, you know exactly what you want. You're going to go out there, you're going to grab the products that you're looking for. But I still think that this type of service is going to provide a ton of utility for, definitely a lot of new guys that are just getting started into the hobby. And even experienced guys that maybe want someone to help push them towards brands that they haven't tried out yet. That are going to be highly effective and competitive on the market. But definitely check below in the links in the description. I'll have that set up to send you over to their website, to their Instagram page, to their YouTube channel. Check them out. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to hear your continued updates. If you end up going with this type of service, I would love to get an update from you guys. Get down below in the comment section. Let me know how it's been working for you. But again, the full disclosure on this video is outside of being sent the products inside of these boxes, I was not paid any monetary amount to do a video like this for you guys. And I'm not receiving any sort of sales commissions off of these subscriptions. I want to be fully transparent and honest with my subscribers. But I've seen Brad's work in person. Again, he details at the highest level that this industry offers. He details on some of the rarest cars that I've ever seen or will ever see in my life. It's absolutely phenomenal, the type of work that he does. I value his feedback, and I value, the types of products that he recommends, that he uses on a regular basis. And I was stoked to find out that he was a fan of a lot of the content, a lot of videos that I put up on my channel. So I appreciate that from him. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned for a lot more testing that I'll be doing on some of these products coming up in the future. I'll jump on it. I'll try and get videos out as soon as I can for you guys. Thanks again, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video.